We've all been there. We spent a bunch of time rewinding the string trimmer line onto the spool, then reinstalling it. We fire up the string trimmer and the string line just comes flying out of the string trimmer. Today I'm going to share with you a few reasons why this might be happening and show you how to fix it. Nobody wants the string line to just come out your string trimmer like that, so press the buttons on either side here and remove this cap. Chances are you may have the wrong string trimmer line. Once you've found what the right string trimmer line is, for this string trimmer here it's 0.065. To correctly rethread the string trimmer line, you have to find this hole right here. There's one on the other side too. Bring in your string trimmer line and slot it in. You'll then see the string trimmer line come out the back here, like this right here. You're going to flip the spool back over, and you're going to rewind this so that it creates a 90-degree lock here. And you'll notice immediately you can't pull this out. With the string like this, you're going to rewind this back on. With the string line completely wound on, you'll notice you're actually winding in the same direction as the arrows that are on top of the string trimmer line, so you're bringing the string around that way. Use these little hooks here to hold the string trimmer line in place while we check the next thing. Next thing to do is look inside the string trimmer head and look at the mechanism that operates the line feed and make sure it's working. You'll notice there's actually a spring on a lot of these models. They're going to be a little bit different in design, but make sure that the spring's still there and make sure this mechanism here releases after you push it to the side, which this one does. Bring in your spool now, and I like to do this so that the string trimmer line holds in place. I don't need to hold my finger here because I'm pretty clumsy sometimes, and you let it go, then you have to go and rewind the spool again, which nobody wants to do. Take your string trimmer line and feed it through the hole there, put it on the center piece. Now it's important now to make sure that this spool actually clicks into place. This could be one of the problems. Turn it around until it actually seats properly. And you know it's seated correctly because it's now secure and not sticking up above the head. Release the string trimmer line from the side here. Pull it through. Bring in the head and then put it back on. And that's how to stop the string line from releasing on your string trimmer. If you like this video and want to see more DIY content around the home, you should watch this video here next.